Hello and welcome back to Sex Education Repo. Today, we're delving into one of the most mysterious and debated topics in human attraction, pheromones. Are they real? Do we, as humans, secretly send out invisible signals that draw others to us? Let's take a scientific look at the invisible science of attraction. When we think of attraction, we often focus on what we can see or hear. A captivating smile, an engaging conversation, a shared sense of humor. But what if one of the most powerful tools in the matchmaking game is something you can't see at all? What if attraction begins with the nose? The concept of pheromones isn't new. In the animal kingdom, they are undisputed chemical messengers that trigger specific behaviors in other members of the same species. Think of ants leaving a trail for others to follow to a food source, or moths releasing airborne signals to find a mate from miles away. These are classic examples of pheromones at work, a language written in molecules. But what about humans? Do we have the same chemical communication system? The scientific community has been buzzing with this question for decades, and the answer is complex. Unlike many animals, humans don't have a functional vomeronasal organ, or VNO, which is the dedicated organ for detecting pheromones in other species. Ours is largely considered a vestige of our evolutionary past, non-functional in most adults. So, if we lack the primary hardware, does that mean the case is closed? Not quite. Our main olfactory system, the one we use to smell flowers or fresh bread, is incredibly powerful and might be picking up on signals we're not consciously aware of. This is where the science gets really interesting. Researchers have proposed that certain compounds found in human sweat, like androstadienone and estradotrinol, could act as potential human pheromones. These compounds are thought to subtly influence our mood, physiological arousal, and even our perception of others. The idea is that they don't command our behavior like they do in insects, but rather nudge it in a certain direction. Imagine walking into a room and feeling an instant, unexplainable sense of comfort or intrigue around a particular person. Could this be more than just their body language or the look in their eyes? This brings us to one of the most famous experiments in this field, the sweaty t-shirt study. It's a cornerstone of research into human chemical signaling, and its findings are fascinating. In the original study, conducted by Klaus Wedekind in 1995, a group of men were asked to wear the same cotton t-shirt for 2 consecutive nights. They were given scent-free soap and told to avoid spicy foods, smoking, and any other activities that could alter their natural body odor. After 2 nights, the t-shirts were collected and placed in individual boxes. Then, a group of women were brought in to smell the shirts and rate them based on attractiveness and pleasantness. The results were not random. The women consistently preferred the scents of men whose immune systems were most different from their own. How did they know? The key lies in a set of genes known as the major histocompatibility complex, or MHC. The MHC is a crucial part of our immune system, helping it identify foreign invaders. A more diverse set of MHC genes and offspring leads to a stronger, more robust immune system, better equipped to fight off a wider range of diseases. From an evolutionary standpoint, choosing a partner with different MHC genes is a very smart move. The t-shirt study suggested that we can actually smell this genetic compatibility. The women weren't consciously thinking, this person's MHC profile is a great match for mine. Instead, their brains translated this complex genetic information into a simple, primal signal, this smells good. Or, conversely, this smells bad. It's a subconscious mechanism designed to guide us toward partners who will give our potential children the best possible chance at survival. Your body is essentially signaling genetic compatibility without saying a single word. Subsequent studies have built upon these findings, exploring the nuances of this scent-based attraction. For instance, some research suggests that this preference for MHC to similar partners is most pronounced in women who are ovulating, the time when they are most fertile. It's as if the biological drive to find a genetically compatible partner